ClampZero is a companion IC for the InnoSwitch 4 for a zero-voltage switched flyback solution or an active clamp. And why would I want that? Well, an active clamp solution allows you to operate at higher switching frequency because it eliminates all the switching losses inside the PI GaN in the InnoSwitch 4. It recirculates all leakage energy to allow for higher conversion efficiency for a high power density solution. So how does it do it? Well, the ClampZero comprises of two ICs, a low side controller, which has 3 functional pins, a high side controller, which also has 3 functional pins. The low side controller has an input signal from the InnoSwitch 4, a ground, obviously, a bypass pin for the bias supply for the low side. The high side is communicated through a level shifter and drives a high voltage switch. And this side also only has 3 functional pins, a drain, a source, and a bypass pin for the supply for the high side, all housed in a simple, compact min-stop package. So I've drawn the InnoSwitch 4 with the ClampZero. And what we have is the low side device getting its bias directly from the InnoSwitch 4 primary. The input signal is tied to the primary side of the InnoSwitch 4, which gets its information from the flux link from the secondary side controller, which actually controls on a cycle-by-cycle basis all 3 switches. It controls the SR MOSFET, the PI GaN in the InnoSwitch 4, as well as the high side active clamp switch in a ClampZero. So what's so special about the ClampZero and the InnoSwitch 4? Well, it's a method of our control for the active clamp. We use an on-demand, non-complementary type control, which only commutates the active switch for a short period of time right before the main commutation of the PI GaN inside the InnoSwitch 4. The advantage of this is that we're able to operate both in continuous conduction mode and discontinuous conduction mode. And our control method allows for very flat and high efficiency across the entire load range without burst mode. It reduces the stress in the switch in the ClampZero, as well as reduces RMS currents in the PI GaN in the InnoSwitch 4. This also benefits the losses in the AMI filter and bridge. The ClampZero is a very important part of our portfolio. It enables high power density, high efficiency adapters. It simplifies a very difficult problem. To learn more about the ClampZero and the InnoSwitch 4, please visit us at power.com.